Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is having a quick look at collocations. What? Collocations. 2, 3, 4 words that are usually used together. They sound natural to native speakers, but learners of English have to think carefully. They have to learn them, especially because their meanings are often difficult to guess. The words fast and quick have similar meanings, but when we're desperate for a burger or some crispy chicken, we don't go for quick food, we go for fast food. Although when you're standing in front of the touchscreen for 10 or 15 minutes, selecting no ketchup, 1 mayonnaise, large drink, small drink, no drink, it's not fast food anymore. So we have fast food, but we don't have quick food. We have a quick meal, but we don't have a fast meal. Some collocations are fixed, like take a photo. No other word apart from take collocates or goes with a photo. You only take a photo. You don't make a photo. You don't do a photo. You always take a photo. We only watch TV. We never look at TV. Did you watch TV last night? We wouldn't say, did you look at TV last night? Sometimes a pair of words may not be absolutely wrong, and people will understand what you mean if you say, for example, I did a few mistakes in my exam. People will understand it, but it's not the natural collocation that people expect to hear. The correct one would be, I made a few mistakes in my exam. So, collocations, you need to learn them to sound natural in your spoken English.